Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forest Research Sciences. I am Shalini Datta, a volunteer of AFRS, and as we all know, AFRS is India's first platform which provides students to come and collab and gain knowledge on forensic science. This year, our very organization published its first handbook on forensic science, which is named and published as Handbook of Basic Forensic Science. And one may ask the question what the book contains. The book contains 17 chapters, which include scopes, laws, and techniques involving around forensic sciences. Anyone who is interested to buy this book can from be any field, including teachers, students, and medical professionals. This book is written in very understandable languages in Hindi and English. To buy this book, click on the description box and follow the link given below. For more details about our organization, you can follow us on our different social media handles. Also, follow the link given below. Thank you.